This car show is amazing. I am videotaping this. It's a BMW. There's an Audi S8, Cadillac, Chevy, R8, Corvette.
You know all which ones these are?
Basically,
Why don't I get your picture with one?
I'm videotaping this.
Huh?
I'm taping this.
Can't hear you.
I'm taping this. The Lambo. It's a Lambo. Another Audi. I don't know. It's a Jaguar. Porsche. Let's go look at the McLaren. I already saw all these cars. And it was fun.